Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now I know I've been away for a really long time, but let me tell you, there are really fun videos coming your way. So a lot of my videos are about makeup and how to do different looks and eyeliners and this and that. But now I have started a new venture, as a lot of y'all must already be knowing. I am making my own skincare formulations, and yeah, so I'm really into skincare and formulating skincare and ingredients which are good and which are not so good for your skin. You're gonna get a lot of content around that. So now today I have a different video. Okay, so y'all must be knowing this brand called Nature's Essential, and I have got a package from them, and as you can see, it's a really big one. And they were kind enough to send me a few things, and by few I mean like a lot of things, and these are like whole facial kits. Okay, and all they asked from me was to make a honest YouTube video. Yeah, so they did send like a small note and stuff, basically just telling about these packs, and that I should make a honest review using one of these packs. Now this kit which I have here, it is a de-tanning facial kit. Okay, so if you want to get rid of that tan, or you just want a nice glow to your skin, this is what you need to be going for. So let me just show you all the things which are here. So they have this Nature's Essential facial kit. This one is the whitening pearl facial kit. On this pack over here, they have written 4 steps. First is cleanse, exfoliate, lighten and polish. And they also have a free wipe off mask which they are giving in all these kits, and these kits retail for $260. Okay, so yeah. Right now, also another thing, all these products, they are available on on Amazon, Nykaa and Purplle. So in case you want them, you can go check it out. I will try and leave a link in the description box below. So yeah, like I was saying, they have this one whitening pearl facial kit, then they have this flawless papaya facial kit, then you have this gentle fruit. Now honestly, I am really inclined towards these two kits. Okay, the gentle fruit and the papaya ones. Okay, now again here you have cleanse, condition, nourish and polish. So yeah, this is good for people with dry skin, I'm assuming. Then again, in this glowing gold facial kit, you can exfoliate, condition, hydrate and polish. So again, I'm assuming this is for dry skin type. Now this brightening diamond facial kit is to cleanse, nourish, polish and perfect. Yeah, so I believe the ingredients are slightly different, but yeah, one common thing that all these kits have in them is that they are really good for tan removal. So I am going to try this kit, which is the gentle fruit facial kit. Okay, and here they have a cleanse, condition, nourish and polish. Yeah, because I do feel my skin needs a lot of hydration, and if you can see, there's nothing on my face, nothing on my skin. Literally it's just this is how it has been since I woke up. Yeah, I have not applied anything on my skin. So I'm just gonna open it in front of you all. I know if my dad is watching this, he is gonna be like, why are you using the knife like that? But yeah, so don't use the knife the way I did. Anyways, so just okay, so this is my facial kit, and let's just open this up. Okay, so you can open it from here. That's a really good thing, because I feel that when you're opening packages, some of them can be so difficult to open up, and that's how it is. You're gonna get all of this. So this is your detan therapy, which is there in all the kits. It's a detan therapy wipe off mask, pre-facial prep. So this is one tube, and you're getting all of this for $260, guys. Yeah, then you the first thing that you have is a cleanser, then you have a orange scrub and pack. So this is a conditioning pack, right? And the good thing is I don't have to worry if I'm keeping them in order, because they do have the numbers written on top. Then this is a gentle massage cream. Okay, this is a gentle massage cream. And lastly, this is your gentle face pack, and this is the apple face pack. Okay, so anyways, I just want to talk about the ingredients which are there in all these things. Now the ingredients are mentioned over here. Okay, so in case you want to check it out for yourself once you buy it, they are all on the package over here. They are not on the individual bottles. Okay, so the way you're supposed to use this face pack is you have to start with the Detan Therapy Wipe Off Mask. Okay, it claims to remove all types of tan. Okay, and looking at the ingredients, I do think this will help you with your tan. Right now I can only tell after I use it. So yeah, now you are supposed to apply this and let it dry, or let it like just stay on your skin for 15 minutes. And as you can see, that's how I am looking. I know I'm looking really bad. I'm just gonna remove the seal. Okay. I'm just taking some of this detanning mask and a detan remove. What is it called? It's a Detan Therapy Wipe Off Mask. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply that. The good thing about this mask is that it has a good spreadability. Good spreadability means it's easier to spread. Okay, as you can see, I can easily just spread it all over my face, right? So that's just spreadability. Yeah, and having a good spreadability is something you need to look for in your products. It just makes it much more convenient to use, and if it's convenient to use, you are gonna end up using it more in the longer run. So yeah, a good spreadability is something I would look for in my products. Now whenever I'm applying any face mask, I always like to take it down to my neck. So okay, so now that we have applied the Detan Detan Wipe Off Mask, I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes like it was said. Yeah, so you have to let this mask sit on for 15 minutes and then we'll move on to the cleanse. Okay guys, so it has been some time, and my this face pack has kind of dried off. So what I will do is I will just remove this face pack. Okay, so I just washed my face and I have a towel with me, and I also tied my hair up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna tap my face a little bit and make it slightly dry. But as you can see, it is still a little bit wet. So now when it is that much wet, I am gonna be using my cleanse. So let's just take some over here. So I think this much is more than enough. So we'll just take this and apply this on our skin, and then you just want to massage it in. That's what they have said. That is step number 1. Right, so we just used our cleanser and we applied the cleanser on our face, and what they have said is that we can wipe off the excess with a wet cotton. Now I don't have a lot of excess, but I'm still just gonna wipe off. There are some like parts which are slightly wettish because I did not completely wipe off the water, so I'll just wipe off the excess water or the cleanser I have on my face. Okay, so I've just wiped off any excess that was on my face, and now let's move on to the orange scrub and pack. So let's see how we're supposed to be using this. Apply the scrub and pack in a layer over your moist skin and massage gently in upward strokes for 3 minutes. Leave it on your skin for 5 minutes. The orange peel extract exfoliates and makes your skin visibly brighter. Get ready for step 3. Okay, so again I'm supposed to slightly make my face a little bit wet. So what I will do is I will just pat my face with some water. So just a minute. Okay, so I have made my whole face slightly wet, and now let's use the gentle scrub back. So again, I've just opened it, and okay, the fragrance of this particular one is really good. Like it's not your common fragrance. I think that this is like lemongrass, so you don't need so much. I thought I would need a lot because it is a face pack, but yeah, you do not need so much. Like I said, all these products, they have good spreadability, which means that you will need a very small amount. So I can tell like so I feel that this one package will last you for like 2 to 3 times, maybe more than that. Okay, so I have applied a lot. You clearly don't need so much, but yeah, I already had removed, so I applied. But yeah, you can easily work with half of the amount that I removed, so you really need a little bit. And like it said, I am going to keep this on for around 8 minutes. So that's a very exact number. Okay, my hands are quite sticky. So it's 8 minutes. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Again, I'm gonna watch some more TV for 8 minutes, and then we will move on to the next step. So it has been around like 7, 8, actually it's been exactly 8 minutes, and it's hardening up like any other face pack would. So I am going to go and wash it off, and then we are going to move on to our step number 3, and 3 is saffron massage cream. So yeah, let's just wash this and then we'll read the next step, how to do it. Okay, so I'll just be right back. So yeah, that's how my face is looking. If you do compare my face to the beginning, the way I was looking in the beginning and the way I'm looking now, I do feel I look much more brighter and much more livelier than I did in the beginning. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. I do think it is really good. The scrub and the pack is really good. Okay, so now let's move on to the step number 3, which is the Gentle Fruit Saffron Massage Cream. And the way you have to use it is, apply the cream in dots all over your skin, massage it gently over your face and neck with your fingertips in upward strokes for 15 minutes. That is step number 3. And once step number 3 is done, we'll move on to step number 4. And yeah, so let's start. So here basically I just have to apply this on my face like a moisturizer and just massage it. So let's just take some out. It has a very earthy smell. Like, I mean, the smell is very natural. So yeah, they've done a really good job with the fragrance. So yeah, they've done a good job with the fragrance. It is not overpowering. It's just enough. And yeah. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I do feel after applying this saffron, the saffron massage cream, I can just feel my skin. Is much more glowing. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, we move on to step number 4, which is an apple pack, a Gentle Fruit apple pack. And I just can't wait to smell this. So it has been 15 minutes now at this point since I applied the saffron massage cream. And now let's move on to the last step, which is step number 4, which is Gentle Fruit Apple Pack, which is polish. And the way you have to use this is apply the pack in a layer over your face and neck, close your eyes and relax for 7 minutes while the potent green apple extract in the pack refreshes and tones your skin. Wash off before it has dried completely and dab your face dry. So you have to wash this thing off before it has completely dried, okay? So just keep that in mind, and I'm just gonna take some out on my hand and we will apply this. Now as you can see, this has a green color to it, right? I'm just gonna apply this on my skin and I will relax for 7 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off. Also, the fragrance is amazing. It smells like apple. So yeah, I think it is some fragrance and the apple extract together, and it's working amazing. So yeah. Also, don't just apply the face pack, because the face pack and the face scrub, it has kaolin clay. Now kaolin clay does dry the skin out a little bit, so that is just my personal opinion. Don't just directly use this, otherwise your skin can feel very dry. Yeah, unless you have like very oily skin and you want something to, you know, reduce the oiliness, then maybe. But if you have like normal skin type or dry skin type, don't use the face pack alone. Use everything the way it is supposed to be used. Okay, so I've applied the face pack and let's just wait for how long, let me see. We have to wait for 7 minutes and then I will wash it off, okay? And once it's off, I will show you how my face is looking. And yeah, so it has been 7 minutes and I'm gonna go wash my face, and after washing the face, we are going to see how it finally is looking. So yeah, let me just wash my face and come. Another thing I just want to talk and tell you guys is this face pack is not really feeling too dry on my skin, or it's not become that dry or hard like other face packs do. So yeah, I'm just gonna go wash it off. I just had to change my t-shirt because yeah, well, when I was washing my face, my whole t-shirt got wet and it looked really bad on camera. So, long story short, I had to change my t-shirt because it got wet, right? So this is how my face is looking. Again, there is nothing on my face. It is just my bare skin, and I can tell you this, to touch it feels really soft. Like, I have been touching my own face from such a long time, because it's just feeling really soft, you know. It's feeling hydrated. It is not feeling too oily but not dry at all. So honest opinion and review is this face pack totally worth buying. Now I have not used these other face pack Now I have not used these other face packs, but yeah, this one which I have used was amazing. I loved it. I will let you guys know once either me or my family or my friends, however, when they end up using these face packs, what do they feel and how do they like it. I will update that on my Instagram. And for those of y'all who don't know, I do have another Instagram channel called arali.skincare, wherein I post a lot of, you know, skincare related stuff. And yeah, so I will be posting reviews on both my Instagrams or either one of them. I don't know what I'm gonna do, because yeah, anyways, so please, anyways, what I'm trying to say is I am more active on arali.skincare as of now. So please make sure to follow me over there as well. All the links will be in the description box below, and also the link to buy this facial kit is going to be in the description box below. Again, like I said, this retails for $260 and you are supposed to apply this twice every month. So once every 2 weeks, that's how often you need to apply this, and I am vouching for this one. It's really good. Yeah, also a big thanks to Nature's Essential for sending all these face kits. Y'all have been really kind to me, and the products are amazing. The ingredients used are amazing as well. That's for the video, guys. Also in this video I have not used any filter. I'm sure you all can tell, you all can see the small little blemishes here and there on my skin, so you all already know I have not used any filters. And yeah, I will try and post a before and after picture to show you all how my skin is looking different. But yeah, I can honestly see and feel the difference. So please go check it out, and I will see you in my next video. Let me know what kind of videos would you want to watch. Actually, I do have a couple in mind, couple of videos already planned. So but yeah, please still do let me know anything with skincare or makeup that you all want to watch or know. I would love to, you know, make videos on that. And also, if you all don't know, I do conduct workshops on skincare formulating, cosmetic formulating. We also have candle workshops, art workshops, chocolate making workshops, a lot of them. So even those links I will leave in the description box below, and do go check it out if you are interested. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.